Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and it's time for, you guessed it, Friday Funnies. It's finally time to have a laugh after a long, crazy, another social distancing week. Laughter is the best medicine, so it's time to dive in there. It's some funny stuff that I've found on the internet and some great stuff that you have found. Shout outs to Dennis Gresco, Jose Roldan Jr., Jacob Enzo16 for sending in some great clips. We're going to show those. You can earn your license plate. I have some people that have actually earned their license plate. I just don't have those done today, but those will be coming next week. All you have to do is send us clips, interact with the show, encourage your friends to share, like, and comment, get them to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can earn your license plate. But let's go ahead and jump in. No further ado, let's jump in and let's have some fun. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We have over 100,000 minutes viewed, and we're almost at our goal of 500 subscribers. So we're really close. I think we only need one or two. So hopefully we'll get there today. We'll see. But let's jump in here and check out some Friday Funnies. Here we go. Okay. Dennis Gresco sent this one over, and it seems like lately on Friday Funnies we have a lot of, when it's not your time, it's not your time. And when it's your time, there's nothing you can do about it when it's your time. So I'm not even going to set anything up. I'm just going to show you. Let's just watch what happens. All right, guys, mowing the lawn. All right, he's doing fine. No big deal. Do you see that tire in the background? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. And hear it in... What incredible aim. What's the chances that that tire hits that? We have so many great videos of tires hitting people and things. It's nice that it did actually hit him. But check out his reaction. Like, come on, dude. As if that guy launched the tire of his car off to get him while he's mowing his yard. I thought that was pretty funny, but... Dennis, thank you for sitting over. That was awesome. I love those. Okay, while we're on the topic of near misses, or when it's not your time, it's just not your time. Kind of notice the situation that's happening here. On the shoulder, we have two people on bicycles. We got one that's very far off on the shoulder and one that's riding the white line. They have the right of way too, although in this case, it would have been probably better if they'd have been on the shoulder. So the big cargo truck in front of us, the box truck, he has gone kind of wide to try to avoid the bicycle people, but there was traffic coming. So bad choices, but watch this. This is something else. Oh, boom. And they're still there. It destroys the cargo truck. The box truck is in a million pieces, and somehow it just manages. Look at this again. It just goes all around them. Like, I don't even know how they survive that. Look at all. I mean, what? Oh my gosh. When it is not your day, it is not your day. That is insane. Look at that. And they're okay. That's amazing. I can't believe those people made it. Jose Roldan Jr., he has the Jose Show. If you're looking for a podcast or even some videos of someone that just covers any kind of topic you can think of. The other day he hit a great one on what people sneak into movie theaters. So he posts something, we get to vote on it, and he comes back and let us know what the answers are to these crazy questions that he asks. So be sure to check out the whole Jose Show. I'll put the link in the description. It's very funny. He sent this one in, and I've seen this one before, or not this one, but I've seen these types of things before where people either hang onto a car or they have a rope or something, and that's what this guy's doing. He's not even riding a longboard. It just looks like it's a regular skateboard. Let's back up just a little bit, because this guy, as you know, bad things are going to happen. Here he goes, and whoop, boom. Oh, running. Nope. Okay. Let's break that down for a second. First of all, let's see if I can... Okay. That knee... I'm not to laugh. I laugh when people get hurt. I can't help it. That knee can't have fared well because, that is bad. That is super bad. Now, I will say... oh, that's so bad. Ugh. Okay, but I will say this. He, luckily, right here, at the last moment, because at this... At this point, he is looking at kissing the pavement. Now, if you've ever... I didn't do skateboards. I was never good at skateboards. But I did a lot of bicycles. I rode a lot of bicycles and freestyle and stuff like that. And when you eat it on pavement, as we all know, the road rash is terrible. So already he's wearing shorts and no sleeves. and he is being drugged by a car. So there's not a lot of thought that went into today. But there's a lot of thought that happens in the fraction of a second right here, because if you notice, he does a tuck. If he had not done the tuck, he would have landed on his face, and there's no telling the damage. Look at that right there. Tucks. Boom. Still a lot of damage. I know that knee is not in good shape. I'm hoping that maybe it just was one of those things that looks worse than it was, but whew, that was bad. Okay. Have you seen the videos? There's been a lot of pictures and memes lately, like where someone's trying to shove a giant suitcase into the overhead bin in the airplane. That's not going to work. And people trying to make like a giant couch fit in a small car, and that's not going to work. This person has bought one of those giant deck lawnmowers, as you can see. They think it's going to fit in the back of their minivan. Which, okay, maybe dimensions-wise, maybe. But they're going to drive it in there. I can tell you right now, that's not going to, that's, okay, we know how that's going to trap. But let's watch. Okay, so here we go. Okay, careful, doing good. All right, looking good. This is no worries. You know, people driving by are like, what? All right, just a little bit of gas. Hey, we're almost there. Whoop, sliding. No, I'm sliding. It's okay. It's, and then Ag's surprised. Ag's surprised that it didn't work. I'm like, what in the world were you? Oh, I can't believe they thought that would work. Here's the other thing I will say. Sometimes it's okay to be crazy by yourself because you need it home and you're gonna have to get it there. But if this is a Home Depot or a Lowe's or whatever, I'm feeling like it's a Home Depot. I see the colors. They rent trucks for like $19 for the first like 75 minutes or something like that. They get to pay mileage, but that would have been so worth it, right? And also, someone had to know what he was doing because he's got the wood. Did he go buy the pieces of wood? Did they bring that out for him? I'm like, seems like there should have been somebody there mature to say, hey, this is not going to work. Not only are you probably going to kill yourself, but you're going to destroy your car and your brand new lawnmower, which I don't know, that's not good. So anyway, people do crazy things, man. I don't even know what to say. Okay, here's another one. Let's just watch it out. All right, so watch the Porsche that's right in front of us, okay? Watch the Porsche. Oh, I think I'll scoot over a little bit. Check it out. That is so close. That is so close. Okay, so what's happening was, okay, traffic's bad and it stopped. Don't know why the car in front of it is totally stopped, but it looks like the right lane's going. But anything's going on. I get the feeling he was going to try to pass on the right shoulder. So he starts to go, and then he is looking in the rearview mirror at a semi-truck who is obviously not paying attention. And that is as close as you get. Look at that. Look at that is so close. Oh, man, I hope there's a rest stop ahead because I think a shower was in order for both of those people. Wow, man, that was nuts. Oh, that was close. That was as close as you want to get. Okay. Okay. So earlier we saw the guy on the skateboard and he had the rope and the car was pulling him. And I have actually seen people do this, like grab a hold of vehicles and be pulled behind them. Usually on skateboards. This guy's doing it on a bicycle, which is super dangerous for everybody involved. And I'm sure the truck driver has been told, don't let people do it. So what do you do with that, right? Well, here's what you do. Here's what this guy did. He just drives him into that pile of sand. Okay. Oh, that's so bad. I know. Could have hurt him really bad. If he'd have hit those rocks or whatever those are, that's bad. But check it out. Does a full flip. Boom. Oh, he gets up, though. We see, because luckily the car behind him is driving dangerously and turning around filming. So, I don't know what was more dangerous, but thank you for getting the clip, right? Don't put yourself at risk. Okay. Jose sent this one over as well. Thank goodness for Jose. Just watch the front bumper of this car. Driving down the street. Here we go. Yeah, having a good time. I know, I'm a kid at heart. I know I'm stupid. But that's so funny. That's exactly what I saw when I saw that. It was just like blah, 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 blah. What must this sound in the car be like? I mean, it's like, you ever like roll down your windows and you've got one roll down and the air buffing inside is like, and you're like, oh, I hate that. Imagine your entire front just going like that. I can't even imagine what that must sound like. But when you got to get where you got to get, you got to do what you got to do. But like, oh boy, that was. Where's the duct tape? I mean, duct tape fixes everything, right? Okay. Okay, so let's look at this one. So, going for a bike ride, no problem. Hopped on her bike and whoop, nope. Hey, I'm good. Whoop, boom. Oh, geesh. Oh, not good. Okay, let's break this down for a second. First of all, the tough. He is sitting. There's a seat there, right? Okay. So already we got some issues going on because he is as far back on the seat as he can possibly be. So his weight is way out there. 2, he's holding onto her shoulders just barely. So this must not be his girlfriend. Like, I have a feeling whoever is filming, it must be their girlfriend. And he's like, I'm not going to get too close to her. I'm not going to hug her. And because that's what you need to do, right? You got to get your weight all together. Get that center, that gravity and everything, weight all together. He is as far off the bike as possible, barely hanging on. And so she's doomed from the start. The weight is, that's going to be rough. So then watch it, right? Okay, so then we go, then we fall, boom. Does she hit her head? She hits her hair for sure on the side of the building. I think, luckily for her, she just misses it. Okay, such a gentleman, what does he do? He gets up and runs off. Doesn't even check on the bike. All right, doesn't check on her, should check on her and be like, are you okay? And I'm sorry that I have no idea how to ride on the back of a motorcycle. But doesn't check on her, doesn't check on the motorcycle, and just takes off. I'm like, okay, there was a lot going on in that video. He should not have gotten on that one. Okay, Jacob_Enzo16 sends us this one. We love cars. We love all things transportation. I love helicopters. I think they're cool. I would like to fly one. I have motion sickness, so I probably wouldn't do well. I don't know what's happened here. So let's break down what we see. First of all, that's a hangar. And this platform that it's on has like a hook on the front. So it's on wheels. So obviously, they've pulled the helicopter out of the hangar and set it here. So this would be a normal occurrence. It's not like, hey, let's just get a helicopter and see what happens. So I have a feeling that this is normal, but today's not normal. Oh, today's not normal. Just watch this. All right, let's take off. Whoop, no, maybe need a little more. Let's increase a little bit. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I got it. I'm good. We're good. I'm good. Guys flying in the white shirt. Doors open. Don't know why the door's open. And here we go. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy. I am hoping everybody's okay in that one. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's hanging off the back of the helicopter. I guess that's normal. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, smashes it there. Just never got enough power and thrust to get off. And boom. Look at the destruction that the helicopter... See this guy at the bottom? So the guy in the bottom comes out. He knows everything is wrong, which I think we all know. Sorry. He's telling him, put it back down. Put it back down. Put it back down. Would have just better go straight down. He's telling him, put it down. Right here, though, point of no return. Look, he's even like, just stop. Just don't move. You almost wonder if it's his helicopter. Like... wait for me, and oh no! So he realized there as that blade hits the ground right there and snaps. He takes off to get back inside. Don't blame him. Helicopter flips over, rips the motor and blade assembly completely off the top. That was crazy. Oh, that was crazy. Bad news. Bad day for everybody involved on that one. Poor helicopter. Oh, my gosh. Anyway, so Jacob, thank you for sending that one over. Thank you to everybody for sending things over. Dennis, Jose, Jacob, those were all super cool. Keep the good stuff coming over. What was your favorite today? There was a lot of good ones on there. I don't know. I laughed pretty hard. In fact, I laughed so hard, I'm going to have to go back and look through them again because, gosh, those were funny. So be sure to send your videos to us. Go to CoryTurnerTalks.com. You can email us through the website there. Send over videos, memes, anything you found. Interact with the show. Earn your license plate. You can learn how to earn your license plate there. So remember to like, comment, share. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We just need a couple more to hit 500. Yes, that's awesome. And let's talk about cars tomorrow.